Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add second phone number on Truecaller. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed Truecaller application on your mobile phone. You can get the application from Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And as you can see guys, here I have installed the Truecaller application. So I want to open it. Okay, and if you want to add second phone number to your profile, you can go to your profile. You can click on this icon on the top left, and here you can select complete your profile. If you click on this option, you will be able to edit your profile. And this is my profile on Truecaller, guys. I have added my first name, last name, and also my first or my main phone number. And if we want to add second phone number to this profile, we can simply click on add second phone number. Okay, and you can choose region or country for your number. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that because I want to choose Indonesia. Okay, and here you will be able to add your second phone number. And for my second phone number, guys, I'm going to add the phone number from my contact. I'm going to go to the contact. Okay, and this is my second phone number. I'm going to click on the copy, and I'm going to add this number to my Truecaller application. Okay, go back to the Truecaller, and then I'm going to paste it. Wait, all right. And then once you have been sure that your phone number is correct, you can click on verify my number, and you can click on yes if you do not want to edit it, or you can click on edit if your phone number is still incorrect. I'm just going to click on yes. And then the Truecaller will call us to verify our phone number. Wait, I'm going to accept it. Okay guys, and my verification is succeed. And now as you can see guys that my second phone number has been added to my profile. If you want to edit the number, you can simply click on this pencil icon, and then here you will have option to remove your number or change your number. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add second phone number on Truecaller app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!